How to use dating profile headlines to attract guys successfully. Regardless of the level of connection you're looking for, having a strong dating profile will help you capture the attention of the right person. We have a few tips on how to use dating profile headlines to attract guys and up your online dating game. 1. Tell them about yourself. A dating profile headline to attract a guy can be as simple as you explaining who you are. I'm driven, kind, and hilarious. What better or more clear way to attract someone than just detailing the qualities you like best about yourself? Who wouldn't want to get to know someone who is driven, kind, and hilarious? Use a few descriptors to explain yourself. Ask your friends if you need help. It's hard to talk yourself up sometimes, so call up your bestie. What are friends for? 2. Make a reference. Dating someone who likes the same movies or television shows as you do does not mean you will be compatible. But it can't hurt to have that in common. At the end of the day, snuggling up with your favorite show and crush is a dream. Use your dating profile headline to attract guys by making a pop culture reference. 3. Lead with a question. It's much harder to scroll on by a tempting question. If you want to attract guys with your dating profile headline, tempt them with a big question mark. Have you ever gone skydiving? Or, if you had a full week off, how would you spend it? Ask something that you genuinely want responses to, otherwise you might get annoyed. 4. Talk about your favorite things. What are your favorite things? Dogs, wine, and Netflix. Great. Use your dating profile headline to attract guys by just telling them what you like. If someone sees your profile and they also like dogs, wine, and Netflix, the chances they'll match with you is high. It may not feel creative, but it's an easy way to get started. 5. Follow the 70-30 rule. Math comes into play for the best dating profile headline to attract guys. According to the Daily Beast, the perfect description falls in a 70-30 ratio of what you are like to what you want. There's no need to panic if you aren't a math person. Really, the 70-30 ratio of what you like to what you want is simple. Describe yourself briefly and tack on what you're looking for in a man. If you want to know more, then click on the link in the description below, or visit datingwins.com. Do you like this video and want to keep updated about the new dating wins? In that case, like, share and click the subscribe button for more dating wins.